Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add sticky note on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my laptop with Windows 11 and I'm going to show you how you can add sticky note. If you want to add sticky note, you can go to the search menu and then you're going to search for sticky note app. You just need to type in sticky note like this. And you can click on this plus icon to create new note. Okay, and you can take a note right here. For example, I'm going to add reminder like this. Oops. Okay, then if you want to apply these straight through, you just need to click on this icon like this. And you can customize your note. If you want to change the color, you can click on these three dots and then you can select the color that you like. Okay, you can also add picture or insert picture by clicking on this picture icon, and you can add image from your device like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add sticky note on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.